How did we find out that humans once lived who were as tall as 17 feet? You may have heard of a giant warrior king named Gilgamesh, who was said to be between 15 to 17 feet tall. This information comes from the ancient epic of Gilgamesh, which is considered the oldest recorded story written by humans. The story takes us back to 2003 when German archaeologist George Fadebinder and his team arrived in Iraq in search of evidence of Gilgamesh. During their excavation, they discovered the ruins of an advanced ancient city, which appeared to have been quite prosperous in its time. The ruins revealed that the city had a proper canal system, and based on the remains found, it seemed that leaving a small garden space outside the homes was mandatory. As the archaeologists were continuing their excavations, they stumbled upon something unexpected, a tomb. According to George, it was believed to be the tomb of Gilgamesh. Initially, they had doubts, but this tomb was unlike any other they had found, so they thought it could be the tomb of Gilgamesh. Despite their doubts, they went ahead with the excavation. When they opened the tomb, they found the body of a colossal human, but the mystery remained: whose body was it? Along with Gilgamesh's body, they also found an artifact with some inscriptions on it. However, before they could delve deeper into the discovery, the United States launched an attack on Iraq, and the truth that could have emerged from the excavation remained hidden for years. 2 decades passed, and then came a scholar who changed the course of this story. His name was George Smith. He was a man with knowledge of several languages, and in 1866, he began working at the British Library. Using his self-taught knowledge, he was able to decode an ancient tablet, which contained references to the Epic of Gilgamesh. Smith's work uncovered that the earliest tablets mentioned the story of Gilgamesh, and he further studied the remains that had been found with Gilgamesh's name attached to them. One by one, Smith examined these remains, and they all contained inscriptions that referred to Gilgamesh. It wasn't until he researched the body found in the tomb that he confirmed it was indeed Gilgamesh's body. The height of the body matched the description in the Epic of Gilgamesh, where it is said that Gilgamesh was 17 feet tall, and the body discovered was also 17 feet in height.